Hi, my name is Melanie Robinson and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making breakfast cookies. It's one of my go-to favorite recipes for the morning. Comes together in a snap, and one of the best things is that you can actually make it the night before. So it's really simple, pops in the oven quickly, boom. All right, so we are starting out with 2 medium to large-ish bananas. I like them really spotty, so we're gonna just peel them and pop them into our bowl. And then once they're in there, we're gonna mash them up and add in a whole bunch of awesome goodies. So we're gonna mash these bad boys up. This is the hardest part, so gotta kind of put your muscles into it. Use a little bit of elbow grease. Clearly, I need to go to the gym. A lot of breakfast cookie recipes use oats, but this one uses coconut, shredded coconut. So I'm going to grab 1 cup of shredded coconut, and I'm going to add it to our mashed bananas and stir to make it all nice and incorporated. So I realized that not everybody's bananas are gonna be the exact same size. So this is kind of what you're looking for. Not too wet, not too dry. Here's your example. Okay, that's the base of the cookies. If that's all you wanna do, totally okay, pop them in the oven, they're gonna taste delicious. But today, we're gonna be adding in a couple of awesome add-ins, and they're gonna be delicious and nutritious. That sounds so cliche, but it's true. Our first couple of add-ins are hemp hearts and chia seeds. They're both known to be really high in omega fatty acids. Hemp hearts are also really high in iron, and chia seeds are high in calcium, so they're super awesome add-ins for these cookies. Up next, we've got our fun add-ins. So we've got some pumpkin seeds, which are high in zinc, and some dried blueberries, which are delicious. Now we're gonna add in a little pinch of Himalayan sea salt. Just helps to bring out the flavors. And that's it. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna add some cinnamon in. Boom, flavor. Delicious. The other thing about these cookies is that they make fabulous road trip snacks. I will often make a huge batch of them, keep them in a Tupperware container, and it keeps my whole family super happy. So these are actually done now. We're gonna just pop them on a baking sheet on some parchment paper, throw them in the oven. Awesome. Okay, they're done. Check out how brown these are on the bottom. Have one, top it with some almond butter, some coconut butter, applesauce, delicious. I love them. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want the full recipe, click on the link to my website below. Have a great day. So good.